Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will learn how to see what you liked on Facebook. We will start by opening the Facebook app. Next, we will click on the top options menu. Then we will click on Settings and Privacy and then on Settings. Here we move and look for the Activity Log option. You can use the search magnifier above to find this option faster. After that, we are going to click on the Activity History option. Next, we are going to click on the Filters option and then on the Categories option. Now we are going to display the Your Activity across Facebook option. Then you can choose a category from those that appear to see what you like in one of them. For example, you can view liked comments, posts, or pages. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.